I think comparatively, my mental state, quite okay. You see, in spite of some sort of problems and some bad news, heartbreaking news, but in little deeper, my mind quite stable. Or hopefully. So that really very, very positive impact on my health. So as I mentioned earlier, the surgery, actually there are a lot of complication. My gallbladder. So actually the gallbladder increased, enlarged almost 3 times. And then also what called pus.
Pus collection. Pus collection. Pus.
Pus collection. So usually, you see, that surgery, very simple surgery, they take only 15-20 minutes. In my case, 3 hours. It takes 3 hours. But then recover within 5 days and 1 week, completely recover. So the concerns of the doctors also a little bit surprised. And one doctor described me as a young patient. Then I told him, I'm not young. I'm over 73 years old. And he responded to me, yes, he knows your age, but your physical condition, like in 60s. So he mentioned. So these, not out of miracle, but simply, I think my mental state more compassionate, more peaceful.